You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the soup, delicious soup. If you want to learn more names from French cuisine and cooking terms, make sure to stay tuned. The French pronunciation is Vichyssoise. Vichyssoise, it comes from the city or town of Vichy in France. Vichyssoise. This is why the English pronunciation is as Vichyssoise. Vichy, yes, CH in French is a sh sound, not ch, okay, so it's not Vichy or Vichy. Vichyssoise. Vichyssoise. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.